Today we are going to start our first chapter, angles.
What is an angle? In geometry, an angle can be defined as a figure formed by two rays meeting at a common endpoint.
I repeat, in geometry, an angle can be defined as a figure formed by two rays meeting at a common endpoint. An angle is formed by two rays meeting at common endpoint. An angle is represented by the symbol parts of the angles.
The first part is arms. The two rays joining to form an angle are called arms of the angle. Next is vertex. The common endpoint at which the two rays meet to form an angle is called the vertex. Look at this picture. Here, OA and OB are the arms of the angle. I repeat, OA and OB are the arms of the angles, whereas the point O is the vertex of angle. Point O is the vertex. So, OA and OB arms and O is the vertex. Degrees we used to write with the simple. For example, 45 degree we can write like 45 and on top you can put a small simple. Angles are measured in degrees using a protractor. This is the device in your geometry box to measure angles of different size and it is called protractor.
Now let us be familiar with the protractor. Okay, this is called protractor and this is the middle point of the protractor. What it is? This is the middle point of the protractor and you can see many lines drawn here. Can you see these lines? You can see many lines drawn like this. At the end of each line you can see two numbers each, isn't it? One below the other. We can see two numbers each, one below the other. These numbers are the degree measures of the angle. These numbers are the degree measures of the angles made by these lines with the bottom line marked with 0. Example, see here from 0 to 10, this is 10 degree. 0 to 20, it is 20 degree. 0 to 30, it is 30 degree. 0 to 40, it is 40 degree. Likewise, it will go. So, what will be the angle from 0 to 90? It is 90 degree. What about 0 to 120? 120 degree. So, what will be the angle from 0 to here? It is 180 degree. One more thing, now you will be confused. Why two numbers are given? One below the other, there are two numbers, isn't it? Now you will be getting confused why two numbers are given. Why we are not using these numbers on the top, isn't it? There are two scales. See here, when we draw using this side, we use this scale, the down scale. When we use drawing this side, we use this scale, the scale on the top. Is it clear? Yeah? That I will show you while drawing the angles.